Christina na lang. Paborito ko siyang inaano.
Christina Paner.
Hindi. Christina Gonzalez. Ha? Walang tinamaan.
Maligaw.
When there's no one else, look inside yourself. Like your own dearest friend, trust the voice within.
And the winner is...
Wala pa.
Ang effortless. Effortless. Si Mori.
Ito
Ayan
talaga.
pa isa.
Sa patoy.
Anong entry, Morissette?
Isa lang, ha?
Ang hirap na po lumaban sa mga kasama. Siguro po yung madalas po sinasabi po na medyo may katimbre po ako minsan si Miss Mariah Carey po.
Yan!
Huwag na tayo dun sa sobrang, ibang world. Sige. So take a look at me now. There's just an empty space. And there's nothing left here to remind me. Just the memory of your face. Pwede na yan. Ganda! Thank you po.
Try ko.
Sige,
try
sige,
ko.
sige.
Baby, I love you. You are my life. My happiest moment really complete if you weren't by my side. You're my relation and connection to the sun. With you next to me, there's no darkness I can overcome. You are my raindrops, I am a sea. With you, ang tagal nito, chorus na nga.
Baka tatayo ka pa, ha?
You set me free. I can't do this thing called life without you here with me. 'Cause I'm dangerous in love with you. I never leave you. Just keep loving me the way you're loving me. Yeah.
Napapapalakpak si May ng todo. Ayan.
Alam mo, ikaw pikon ka. Hindi ka na mabiro.
Hindi mabiro, pero galing, ha?
Ang husay!
Thank you.